consistency will beat intensity anytime. You can be intense in your job, but if you're not consistent, you will still lose out. You take example after example and you'll come to know that consistency plays a major role. So what is consistency? The first part is you're doing something repeated. आप किसी चीज को बार बार करते हो. Number one. The other part is you do it in spite of not seeing results. For example, आपने एक बर्गर खाया. You don't see any result in your body. कि कुछ नेगेटिव असर तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. तो you said let me do it again. फिर आपने फिर बर्गर खाया. अब आपकी हो गया कि वीकली तो जाना ही है बाहर खाने के लिए. So it has become now a part because you did not see any ill effect of that on your health as of now. जब एक आदमी बर्गर खा रहा है, दूसरा आदमी सैलेड खा रहा है, उसको भी असर नहीं दिख रहा है. कौन सी सैलेड खा के बॉडी ठीक हो गई, तो वो भी क्वेश्चन कर रहा है यार इसको खाऊं नहीं खाऊं आगे. बर्गर वाला भी क्वेश्चन कर रहा है खा के क्या फर्क पड़ा है, खा ही लो. दोनों क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं क्योंकि दोनों को असर नहीं दिखा है उसमें. सो यू डूइंग समथिंग रिपीटेडली विदाउट सीइंग रिजल्ट्स. बिकॉज जब रिजल्ट नहीं दिखता है तो क्या होता है, इफ यू आर नॉट सीइंग रिजल्ट्स, यू वेंट टू द जिम टुडे, एक्सेप्ट पेन, व्हाट डू यू गेट? You don't get anything else except pain. You don't see the result. Suddenly day one you went there and you came back with dollar sholler लेके आप आगे बाहर. I wish it was so quick. So it takes number of days, but it will not happen in a few days. So if you were to see, whenever you don't see results, what happens to you? Disappointment होता है. So it's a negative emotion. You have disappointment, you have dejection, you feel low, you start questioning whether it's worth it or not because you don't see the results. So that's where consistency comes into picture. कि आपका motivation नहीं है because आपको results नहीं दिख रहा है और आप फिर भी उसको करते रह रहे हो. That is what consistency is. Consistency will beat intensity anytime. You can be intense in your job, but if you're not consistent, you will still lose out. So consistency will lead to the success which you want in life, and that is what is missing in our lives. So when we say consistent, it means repeated actions in spite of you not seeing results. And when you don't see results, what may happen? Disappointment may happen. Your motivation levels may not be that high, but you still do it. And you take it to a point where you start seeing some results over a period of time. Now, what is the benefit of consistency? How are brands built in a business? What do you mean by brand in a business? Let's talk about a brand called Happy Minds. So when you think of Happy Minds, what comes to your mind? First thing. सुबह उठना मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब HM कब होता है? सुबह होता है, right? ये कैसे आया आपके समझ में सुबह होता है? क्योंकि consistently it has been happening in the morning. कि 7 का मतलब 7, चाहे कितने भी ऐसे लोग मुझे रोज हर HM में आते हैं जो बोलते हैं सर थोड़ा सा और आगे कर लो टाइम को, उनके बावजूद भी 7 means 7. इज देयर अ ब्रांड हियर? ब्रांड का मतलब क्या है? यू आर श्योर अबाउट द बिहेवियर ऑफ दैट एंटिटी. So brand is not about something good. Brand is also about something bad. So it is not about good or bad. It's all about who you are. And you are consistent in who you are. You form a brand. So a lot of times we downplay the power, the importance of being consistent. So what's missing in your life? तो क्यों मिस हुआ है? सबसे पहला कारण why we are not consistent. हमें consistency की importance ही मालूम नहीं. हमने उसको तूल नहीं दिया, वैल्यू नहीं दी. That's the beginning. If you would have realized, if you would have kept this on top of your mind, कि being consistent is the topmost quality. जब बिजनेस में बात करते हैं ना कि सबसे पहला, मैं जब मिलता हूँ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को तो सबसे पहले वो क्या बोलते हैं? सर विजन इज मोस्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अरे बाबा, विजन से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है यू बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट अबाउट सर्टेन एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इन योर बिजनेस. इट इज मच हायर देन विजन. तो आपके नजर में कहीं उसकी इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक की वैल्यू नहीं है. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई यू आर नॉट यूजिंग इट, यू आर नॉट इंप्लीमेंटिंग इट, यू आर नॉट मेकिंग इट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. सेकंड, you don't know, some of you said priorities, you don't know the why. कोई भी काम आप जब कर रहे हो ना तो आप उसके पीछे जाने में, ये काम मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, ये इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होने वाला है, ये बॉडी बना के या वेट कम करके या फिर ये प्रोसेस करके क्या होने वाला है. What if I want to sit for meditation every day? Why should I sit for meditation? What it is going to lead to? अगर ये why क्लियर हो जाएगा तो आपके कंसिस्टेंसी आने में चांसेस हो जाते हैं. Number one, the importance of that very characteristic is very low in your mind. Second, you're not very clear about why you are doing what you're doing or why you got to do what you got to do. Number three, your distractions are too many. Maybe you start on many things at the same time. So you got distractions in terms of ये करूँ, and as a result, nothing happens. And the world is going to give you distractions every time. Every day they're inventing some new distractions. चौथा, सबसे important, result नहीं दिखता ना जब आपको, तो आप कैसे हो जाते हो? हताश हो जाते हो. You give up. So lack of energy, lack of motivation, lack of continuous drive to do it. That becomes one of the reasons why you don't do it. 4 major reasons, बाकी सब इसके aspects से आ जाएंगे. Now, did you before you were born, did you tell God, कोई है घर में ऐसा जो consistent रहेगा? नहीं है तो इस family में नहीं जाने का मुझे. I want to go to some other family. You did not choose that. You came into this family, you came into this world, and that's the environment you got. Some people had people around them who were consistent, so their efforts to being consistent were a bit less. That's the benefit they got. और ऐसे भी बहुत सारे घर हैं जहाँ पर बाप कह के थक गया है, वहाँ बच्चे फिर भी consistent नहीं है, जिसका मतलब उनका होना ना होना it doesn't play that much of impact. So how do you become consistent? The last part. There's science behind why consistency plays a major role in your growth. Number one, जब आप कोई भी चीज को बार बार करते हो, there's a neural pathway which you develop. तो neural pathway का मतलब क्या है? अंदर एक pathway बनते जा रहा है. तो वो it's so wonderful that if you can develop some neural pathway for good things in life. So you got to bring out this clarity that कौन से pathways में मुझे अपना neural pathway बनाना है. Logically, अगर हम किसी चीज में consistent होते हैं तो हमारा एक neural pathway बनता है. That's one logic. Second is, I'm sure you must have heard of this concept called the law of compounding. So when you are consistent in your efforts, the law of compounding kicks in. So whether it be wealth, whether it be health, whether it be relationships, whether it be growth, the law of compounding kicks in. It is compounding which will set in. And you are kind of not understanding the power of compounding. You will not lose your weight in 1 month. And all of them who have lost weight in 1 month, they have regained double that amount of weight. Am I right or not? But जिसने consistently weight lose किया है 100 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम, साल में they have been able to reduce their weight and they've been able to maintain that also. They were consistent. Don't underestimate the power of being consistent. This is so very powerful and so very important.